Hey guys, this is Andre from Good Year of Keeping the Change. I'm about to do a solo a cappella cover of Thrice's Under a Killing Moon, so hope you like it. The air in my lungs for some carbs, craters from my eyes. And they said breathe deeply and care. Won't breathe the next to die beneath the falling night and heaven shutting gate. Pray keep your tongue held tight or suffer the same fate. This blood on our black gloves, it is none of your concern. You wanna call our bluff, get in line and wait your turn. Don't flinch when innocents are dancing with the flames. If they wanted to live, they'd learn to play the game. You can still walk away if you just hold your tongue. If you just walk away, you'd live to see the sun. But under this killing moon, under this burning sky, the fire shining grew. Hold my breath and close my eyes. This blood on our black gloves, it is none of your concern. You wanna call our bluff, get in line and wait your turn, or watch the wet chest burn.